What's up, y'all? It's your favorite family, and we are back again, as promised, for our Black History. No, yeah, our Black Owned Business tour. Not Black History. What is it? Black Owned Business tour for Black History Month.
Black History Month.
Black.
Blickety black.
Right. So today we visited Paprika. Paprika. Woo! Where's the menu for Paprika? It's somewhere. I was going to give you all the address, but I'll put the address in the description box below the video so that you guys know. Yeah, but it is on Germantown Avenue. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can keep up with what's going on the page emergently. All right? So, today, go ahead, man. You start off. What you got?
Ooh. I got salmon, broccoli,
You might want to lift it up
and corn. Salmon, broccoli, and corn. And I waited.
That look good.
I waited.
Amazing.
I waited. I went and got their signature Paprika turkey burger. It has a special barbecue sauce on it. Yeah, that's what I got.
And let me get that out of there.
Yeah, get that out of there.
And I got grilled shrimp with some, over rice. Put that there.
Nice.
What do I have?
Something delicious.
I have your hair.
Oh. Sorry.
I have a turkey burger with turkey bacon and French fries.
Looks good.
Mondo burger.
That got turkey bacon on it, y'all.
Yeah, you want
I
some
see that
turkey?
turkey.
Now you
I
can
recorded.
now you can have that tomato.
Ew, I don't want that. I want a pickle.
All right. So, we're going to pray over our
Thumbnail.
food. Oh, our
Thumbnail.
thumbnail. Oh, sorry.
No.
Oh, yeah. Wait. We just raised it. Okay.
Yes, I got
All right.
ready.
Thumbnail.
Dad,
One.
you remember?
One,
You remember?
2, 3. Next one. Do another pose. 1, 2, 3. And we're off. Okay.
All right, let's pray for the food. Heavenly Father.
Okay. Take it to church.
I want to thank you for this food that we are about to eat today. I want to thank you for the hands that prepared it.
Mm-hmm.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Who the man?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's dig in.
Let's see,
You're
because
supposed to say rubber dub, let's grub.
That too,
All
bro.
right.
Amen.
Well, I should have told them to put mayonnaise on my burger. But I
I
wanted
don't
to
even need it.
I know.
That barbecue sauce.
You in the way.
My bad.
Can y'all see that? Y'all see it?
Happy?
Mondo burger.
Lord.
Look at
There's
that.
something red on here.
Oh, I'm dropping
Yeah,
rice.
tomato.
Look at
I don't
that.
like tomato.
Let me stop.
Me neither.
What?
I don't like
Hold
no
up.
tomato.
I'm allergic to them stuff.
It wasn't working out the way I wanted it to.
Sorry, but I don't do tomato.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Well,
Man, tomatoes do
y'all
not
said
work.
everything on it.
Hey,
Goodness gracious.
wait a minute.
It's not turkey burger.
That's a beef burger.
It's a beef burger.
Daddy got a turkey burger. Ooh, I might feed a bite that thing.
Well, I can't even pick it up.
I'm getting all the remaining
Well, this ain't a
toppings.
turkey burger. It's a beef burger, see?
Ooh,
I thought it was turkey.
Mine is turkey.
I got some.
I need a napkin.
So, apple food.
Napkin
I
syrup.
got pickles on mine.
Oh.
What is this? What is this?
Onion ring?
onion ring.
Oh,
Oh, you got onion ring.
Yeah, you got a mega,
they put an onion ring on
got a
it.
sloppy mouth.
You got the works.
Mm-hmm. Let's try that.
Dad.
Oh,
Keisha got nasty Seagrams.
Listen,
You have to rock out.
please. All they kept hearing, I don't got ginger ale. Look how I got open my ginger ale. Look at that kid.
pig.
Daddy. That's nasty.
This was good.
We in front of billions and billions of bajillions of people. You see here
Yeah, we famous.
You're
Oh, you
supposed to
said
be
out here.
We
smacking.
famous.
burping and whatnot. Oh.
Ain't you only
What's
wasting
that?
the shrimp or shrimp.
Oh, I ain't waste the shrimp. I ain't waste the shrimp now.
Okay.
Dad.
So,
What?
Copy.
Mm-mm.
I swear this was a turkey burger. Surprise! So today we are going to do Q&A.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alright. So, let me go first?
Sure.
Okay.
My name is first on the alphabet. If we go in alphabetical order.
Well, you want my L lesson?
Ew, that's
or
not mine.
You want my let or a lesson? Because if it's let,
I'm going by A.
okay.
lesson.
Okay. Alright, go
All
ahead.
right. Oh, got some stuff on my cords. All right.
This is for, hold on, who questions do I have? You got mommy questions.
Okay. Mommy.
Yeah.
How did y'all meet?
In school.
What school?
Martin Luther King.
No, how did y'all meet?
Yes, how? We
We want to know how, not where.
Because we know the story. We
We
know
don't
the
want to
story.
know where. We said how. Who introduced who to who? Who walked up to who? What?
Yes, because we know the story. Because I could tell it like I was there. Like I was walking the hallways with them.
No, let her tell it. Go ahead.
She don't remember.
Eddie was the popular guy in the school. He ain't talked to me, so I don't know.
That is not true.
Yes,
All
it
right,
is.
so-
He used to hang with
All right, who
all
knows?
the- all
Wait,
the-
wait, wait.
all the president, vice president of the school. He used to be all up in their faces and stuff. He look at the little.
Well,
We-
I played football.
How did you get to talk to him? Or what happened? How did y'all meet?
She just said it. She don't know because he was so popular. Because mommy wore them big old glasses.
She
She had
answered.
hair glasses.
She answered everything but that.
I know.
Do
All
you
right.
want me to tell you?
Yeah, tell the story, please.
All right.
We want to know. The people
The people
want
want
to
to
know.
know.
It was math class. Walked in. And me and Richard was talking about
Everybody just picture it.
girls with big butts. And it was no girls that had a big butt in the math class. Then Lisa walked in. And I said, I'm going to get that right there.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny it. When a girl walks in
With
with
an itty bitty waist and a brown thing in your face, you get sprung.
Hey.
So that's how we met.
I'm going next.
Okay.
And that was what?
Oh, yeah. How long ago was that?
Oh yeah, what year was that?
82.
1982, guys, not 1882. We know they. know the camera age.
Eddie,
Mm-hmm.
if you could name mommy a candy bar, which one would it be?
Let's see. Well, my favorite candy bar is a Snickers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So her name. So you would name mommy a Snickers?
Yeah.
So is she a ice cream Snickers? Or is she a Snickers with almond?
With the
Snickers
caramel.
I mean with the caramel.
With the
yeah.
caramel because ice cream gonna melt.
Ooh.
Then I won't have it no more.
All right, let you up.
Mommy, what is your favorite quality about Daddy?
You shouldn't have to think.
He is.
I know, right?
His best quality is that he loves everybody. He's just a loving person, and that's a good quality in him. He's the peacemaker.
I don't think Daddy had that in mind.
Go ahead, Lex.
I don't. I don't. Dad, what do you think your best quality? Oh, okay, sorry.
It was his question.
Next
All right.
question.
Next question.
Y'all
Okay.
awesome.
If you hit the lottery tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
where is the first place you would go?
The bank.
All right. That sums that up.
Hey, that was quick.
That was quick.
That's right. I'm going to the bank.
Okay, Mom. Would you rather live somewhere hot all year
Yes.
or cold all year?
Hot.
Told you.
Hot.
Hot. Mm-hmm.
Like we talking like Arizona.
Hot.
Hot.
Can't breathe hot.
Hot.
Told you.
My bones will work a little better.
Told you.
In the heat.
But you'll be going through early menopause.
Too late.
You'll be going through menopause the rest of your life.
Part 2.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty.
I guess that was it.
Eddie, what was your first car?
Oldsmobile Toronto.
What the heck is that?
I never
It was a imitation Cadillac Eldorado. It was made by Oldsmobile.
Well, I never heard
That
that one.
car. I was still in the sack.
You wasn't nowhere to be found.
Before my time.
Way before your time.
Yeah.
All right, this is a question for both of y'all.
I was up there with Jesus.
Brushing your teeth or wiping your butt.
Oh.
You have to give up one. Which one would you give up?
Brushing my teeth. Because my teeth is pearly white.
Yeah, but not every day. If you eat.
Every day my teeth is pearly white.
So you rather give up wiping your butt and keep brushing your teeth?
No, I'd rather give up brushing my teeth. I'm wiping my butt every day.
Yeah, I'm the same. Gotta be watching that.
My son said he would give up wiping his butt, and he don't care if he walk around
With an itchy butt.
with a smell like doogie.
Ew.
That's what
Poppy.
he said.
That's a hard one though because
That ain't no hard one.
yes it is.
Ain't nothing hard about
You
it.
can always put gum in your mouth.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that.
But
I
you
didn't.
can't put nothing in your butt.
You hear
Yes,
that?
you can. You can
What?
put, you can use
He's not
a
gonna
water.
wipe. He can't wipe his
You
butt.
can't wipe
You
your
can
butt.
use
Right.
water to spray your butt out.
Yeah, but you have
You
to
still gonna
wipe
say
it.
that smell?
Yeah, you still gonna have poop stains.
Now you do dish detergent. Don't want if it can clean oil off of
Ducks?
ducks. It can clean.
Yeah,
off
you
a
still
butt.
gonna have a soapy butt.
Alrighty.
Just whoosh it around on the floor.
Scoot around on your butt.
Oh, I got one more.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, you got one too.
No, that's mommy's. It's not one
Oh.
more.
This is mine right
That's yours. Let hold on to that.
What the heck is
Just
this?
hold on. Okay, last question here. If you could give anyone advice about marriage, what would it be?
Communicate.
Yeah, that's number one.
What do you say, Father?
Communicate.
No, something else.
No, but that's what friendship.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cause we were friends.
What benefit?
You gotta
Yeah.
be able to
It's nasty.
communicate. Friends.
Happens.
No. Yeah.
Alright.
And y'all have to have something in common, right? Y'all have to be compatible.
Well,
Yeah,
we
you
are.
gotta
We
be
very
compatible.
compatible.
That's what I'm saying.
But we also have y'all, so that makes it.
Because they like everything. They all like the same sports.
Oh, he said we got y'all.
Yeah.
They like
We
the
had
same
y'all.
sports. Okay.
All
That
right.
was mommy's.
No, that's yours. You asked.
Dad.
You asked.
Dad.
Are you asleep? Wake up and answer the phone.
I'm asleep.
Good morning, this is your brother calling.
Okay,
I'm
well,
asleep.
okay,
Okay.
get it.
Where is it?
What this?
Mine's right here.
All right.
That's mine right here.
Oh.
Now you ask mommy that question.
Okay. Mommy, what is Dad's favorite color?
Boy, this is that.
I guess they never
That
discussed this
Jeopardy.
one.
Yeah. Fast money.
I thought communication was
Fast
a
money.
good kid.
She just said communication.
The first one to blurt out communication. What?
Black.
What?
Turn your card over.
She said black.
Man, you lost.
What is
No,
it?
hold up. Let me see.
Oh. He trying to eat.
Yeah,
The answer is
Blue.
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 That's the other black.
All right. What is mommy's favorite side to sleep on?
At the bed or on her?
On her. On her.
Or on her.
Her right side.
Mmm. We see who know who better. You got work to do.
You didn't know his favorite color is blue.
It was used to be black.
Always good.
Warning, this is your brother calling. Are you asleep? Wake up and answer the phone. Warning, this is your brother calling.
Turn it off, Dad.
So how y'all feel about y'all food from Paprika?
Very good.
Awesome.
Very, 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 very good.
She's always the one to finish her food. You know, her mom never
That
lets
salmon
her
look
leave the
good.
table.
I didn't finish my food. I got a lot of food left.
That salmon did look good.
It did.
Was yours good,
Can I
love?
taste one
Yeah.
now?
But when I asked for a
But it's falling apart. That's
Yeah,
why.
mine falling apart. But the food was good, but I don't like beef burgers. So that's not typically what I like. But the food was good.
Mm-hmm.
I was just surprised. They surprised me. Or maybe I surprised myself. Maybe I didn't look at the menu that well. Something happened here.
Mm-hmm.
There was no communication.
Well, we wanted to ask for a paprika burger.
That's what I did. I just asked for a paprika burger. But I should have read. Maybe it is
What
there.
paprika burger was?
Right.
Because it's beef burger.
Right.
With an
It's
onion
beef.
on it.
This
The
is
onion
good,
ring
though.
on it.
Look good.
It just fell apart,
It look good.
which is good.
That
I like
cheese
sloppy.
did look good on
It
it.
look good.
I should have asked for mayonnaise
Right,
on my
right.
burger.
I did want to bite, but now it looks nasty.
Wow. It's falling apart.
Because you put your
My
mommy
hands is
lips.
clean.
You put your mommy
My
lips on it.
hands clean. That's right. I'm charming.
No, because you gave up wiping your butt.
No, I didn't give up.
Oh, he didn't give up wiping his butt?
No.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you gave up brushing your teeth.
Brushing teeth, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, y'all like my hat? I got my hat from the Eagles. This is like
Warning, this is your brother calling.
You know
Are
what?
you asleep? Wake
Tell
up
your
and answer the
brother.
phone.
right.
You got one more time.
This is your brother calling.
This is exclusive hat.
Canada.
This is exclusive Eagles hat.
He got one more
Does that
time.
mean nobody got it?
But the people who was there,
Mm.
VIP.
Only.
Only.
Can I borrow your hat?
She was trying to take her stuff.
First of
Can I
all,
get your password?
Oh, see, yeah, because now it's connected to my internet. I mean, it's connected to my cable, so I gotta pay for it.
Oh, so you got cable now?
I got it back up and running, y'all.
Oh, that's what's up.
well, I got 4 meat braids under here, and they tried it. They was going to let me get in the video with my 4 braids going to the back.
That's not true. We were
Ignorance.
so focused on getting everything right this time, so we forgot to look at the top of her head.
Friends. How many of us have them? Friends.
None.
The ones we can depend on. Let's be friends. All right, y'all. So it looks like, are we almost done here? I know I'm done.
I already closed
I
mine.
can't eat the rest of this.
Well, I ain't gonna be the only
Let's-
greedy one.
Keep going
But I'm gonna eat this bacon.
with that onion on it.
Mm-hmm.
Mama onion. Oh, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that ding, 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 ding notification
It's
button.
somewhere around here.
What?
Or just make it a routine that 7 a.m. we'll be popping up. in
Monday,
your phone.
Wednesday, and Friday, and Saturday. We on schedule, baby.
Monday, Wednesday,
Yeah.
Friday.
Be prepared for the storm, cause we coming.
Cause we about to blow up.
Back up. We're gonna back up videos.
Huh?
Huh?
We're gonna have
All you heard was
back up.
back up. What the heck
Blacka,
is
blacka,
that?
blacka.
I thought you was doing that that sounded like you was doing the break your legs when you was saying that.
Oh, what about the commercial?
Oh, the Super Bowl commercials.
Did y'all see that Super Bowl commercial when they was breaking their legs? That
see
was
that one?
hilarious.
Show us how they were doing.
You can't see.
There it go right there.
You
Oh,
ain't able
go
to see
there.
Yeah.
it. Hey, hey.
Oh.
Ooh, that hurt.
You can tear it up in the seat,
In the
boy.
seat.
Right, boy.
Heck yeah, cause I could tear a seat.
Oh, but do it.
Do
Get
it
up.
right now.
Hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey.
See, I could tear that seat up.
It looked like it hurt.
Oh, you did.
But the faces she was making was
It
hurtful.
Heard them.
That was hurtful.
All right, y'all, we can wrap this thing up. We thank everybody for watching today. Again, we went to Paprika. It is an Islamic or no, a halal restaurant over on Germantown Avenue. I don't have the exact address, but I will put it in the description box below, as I said before. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to share, and share some more.
And subscribe.
We out this joint.
Peace.